Welcome students. In previous class we have completed the discussion about magnet and electromagnet. Okay. Today we will discuss the exercise from your books of Selena publication, chapter 10 magnetism. Exercise 10A we will discuss today, and next class we will discuss exercise 10B. What is lodestone? First question is, what is lodestone? Lodestone is an or iron oxide, okay, alloy of iron oxide mainly, Fe3O4. This ore attracts small piece of iron and it set itself along a definite direction when it's suspended freely. When it's suspended freely, it oriented along north-south direction. It is a natural magnet which was used in navigate by mariners. Okay. What is natural magnet? State two limitation of natural magnet. The piece of lodestone found in nature is called natural magnet. Limitation of natural magnets are listed below. They are irregular and odd shape. They may be many shape. They are not magnetically very strong. What is an artificial magnet? State two reason why we need artificial magnet. Artificial magnet is the magnet made of steel basically, uh, or other magnetic material which is magnetized by applying high electric power, and as it has high retentivity, so it retains its magnetic property after removing the external electromagnet or external electricity. Okay, this is called artificial magnet. So, an artificial magnet is a magnetized piece of iron or material. Artificial magnets are required because natural magnets have odd and irregular shape, and they are not magnetically very strong. Artificial magnet can be given desired shape and made very strong. It is very strong. We can make very strong magnet artificially, and these magnets are used in our headphone and also some speaker generator. These all are artificial magnets. They are very strong magnet and artificial. How will you test whether a given rod is made of iron or copper? Iron rod is magnetized and when placed near a bar magnet, magnet induction, while copper rod is not magnetized. And you can test iron rod is attracted by magnet, but copper not. You are provided two similar bar. One is magnet and other is soft iron bar. How will you distinguish between them without use any other magnet or bar? I have told one process that by touching one first touch magnet by touching one on another. Okay. But here another solution is here that a magnet when suspended freely will rest only on north-south direction, but the soft iron bar will rest in any direction. These are easy questions. Fill in the blanks to complete the sentence. Two ends of magnet are called dash, magnetic poles. Unlike pole of magnet are dash each other, attract each other. Like pole magnet are repel each other. A freely suspended magnet rests in geographic north-south direction. A small magnet is suspended by silk thread from a rigid support such that magnet can freely swing. How will it rest? And draw the diagram. It a small magnet suspended silk. It can swing freely that rest itself in geographical north-south direction like this. Question number 8. Explain in term of induced magnetism. The magnetism induced magnetism means when we put a magnetic material like iron or steel or anything near the magnet, it's magnetized, temporarily magnetized. This phenomenon is called magnetic induction. Here written that the magnetism acquired by magnetic material when it kept near or contact with a magnet called magnetic induced magnetism. Explain why. Do you understand by magnetic induction? So in magnetic induction, what role does it play attraction of the piece of iron in magnet? The process in which piece of magnet material acquired by magnetic property temporarily in presence of another magnet near is called the magnetic induction. And what role does it play in attract a piece of iron by magnet? When piece of iron is placed near the contact with magnet, the piece of iron become a magnet. It acquires the property of attraction iron feeling when they are brought near the end. Thus the piece of iron behave as magnet as long as kept near the magnet. And we know like unlike pole creates near position and like pole creates further position. Explain the magnetism of attraction of iron nail by a magnet when brought near them. When iron is brought near one end of a magnet, the nearest end of the piece acquire a opposite polarity of magnetic induction, and since unlike pole attract each other, and so the unlike pole is nearer than the like pole, so force of attraction is greater than the force of repulsion. That's why the magnet attracts the iron or iron nails. Next question. Explain the following. When two pins are hung by their heads from their same pole of magnet, they pointed and move apart. Yes, it's telling that if this is a bar magnet and two nails are hung by them, okay, then these two pole had same pole of magnet, same pole. So 1 minute. When two pin hung by the magnet by their head same pole of magnet, their point and move apart. If we put two pole of a or the same pole, suppose this is north pole, then the nails south pole created near the north pole and these north pole created the further point of the nails. Then these two north pole repel each other. Okay, so these nails repels each other, then they will move like this. Okay, they will move like this. So this is the explanation. When two poles hung near the same pole magnet, their pins are unmovable. Second question. Several soft iron pins can cling one below the other from the pole of magnet. Several soft iron pin, suppose one pin is attracted here, then another pin can be attracted here, another pin can be attracted. Why? Because I have told that due to magnetic induction, soft iron acts as a magnet, and suppose this is south pole, the north pole and south pole, north pole, south pole is created. That's why the one magnetic bar or one soft iron attract another soft iron due to induced magnetization. Another question. See, the north end of the freely suspended magnetic material gets attracted towards the piece of soft iron placed a little distance away from the needle. The north end of freely suspended magnetic needle get attracted toward the piece of soft iron placed at little distance away from needle. Suppose north pole, south pole is hanged. Suspended magnetic needle, freely suspended, attract towards the. If I put here a piece of iron, due to magnetic it creates south and north, and then as iron is here, piece of iron is at static rest. Okay, it's kept here. So the bar magnet will be attracted towards the iron. There is a force of attraction working, so due to the force of attraction the iron may comes towards the bar magnet, or bar magnet can go towards the iron. The explanation is here. When two pins are hung by the handle, the several soft iron, when a piece of soft iron placed the needle induced magnetism, piece of soft iron, the soft iron piece start behave like a magnet and attract each other. Okay. Next question. A small iron bar is kept near the north pole of a bar magnet. Okay. So there is an iron or steel bar and there is a bar magnet, you can see in solution. Okay. So a small iron bar kept near the north pole of a bar. Now, how does the iron bar acquire magnetism? Due to induction. Draw a diagram so that polarity of iron bar when will happens if magnet is removed. Draw the diagram to show polarity of iron bar. What diagram? Draw the diagram so the polarity of iron bar. There is diagram given that the south pole near south pole of bar magnet, iron bar the north pole of bar magnet. This is the north pole of bar magnet and south near the south pole. This is the diagram. Okay. And what will happen if magnet is removed? After removing magnet, iron bar again demagnetized and converted into normal iron, and the iron filling will be fall. Induced magnetism is temporary. Comment on statement. Induced magnetism temporary as it lasts as long as the magnet causing induction remaining its vicinity. Induced precede attraction. Explain the statement. Induction precede attraction. So we know the opposite pole attracts and same pole repel each other, but magnetic material cannot attract with non-magnetic material. So non-magnet. So first the magnet have to create a opposite pole near the nearest point of a magnetic material, and then as opposite pole created near the nearest point, so then it will attract What do you understand by term magnetic field line? Magnetic field line is a continuous curve of magnetic field such that tangent of any point given direction of magnetic field at that point. Here are given this definition is given from your book, but you can write that I have told which one, that the motion of a uh, isolated free north pole. Okay, the path followed by the isolated free north pole in magnetic field. State 4 property of magnetic field line. So I have told previously, you can check, and these are for important property. Explain why iron filling which are sprinkled on steel of carbon plates over a bar magnet take up definite pattern when carbon is slightly tapped. The iron filling take up definite pattern. This happens because of iron filling becomes a magnet to magnetize induced of magnetic. Thus, the experiment of force of direction of magnetic field of the bar magnet at point and itself along the carbon. So, here given that if you put here some iron dust, okay, suppose on table you have put some, and you place a bar magnet here, you can see the irons are oriented like this along the field line like this. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Explain the method of plotting magnetic field line by using small compass needle. So, how to plot the magnetic field lines using small compass needle? I told that suppose a bar magnet is kept here, okay, and magnetic field line. So if I put a compass here, the compass oriented like this, north pole, so, south pole. If I put here a compass, then compass again oriented like this, there will be south pole, there will be north. If I put a compass here, there will be north pole and south, okay, sorry, south pole and north pole. So the direction of compass always along the direction of field line. So if you want to draw field line, place a compass here, then mark this point, okay, this point and this point. Again move the compass and place here, okay, then compass again orient like this, then mark that point, again compass place here, then mark that point, again compass place here, okay, mark that point, then you will get some points like this. Suppose due to placing of compass you will get some point, okay, then join this point, then you can get the field lines. Clear? So this is the method of plotting the magnetic field line using compass needle. Okay. This is the explanation is here, you can read. Can two magnet field line intersect? No, I have told the reason, because the tangent of field line denotes the direction of magnetic field intensity. So if two magnetic field line intersect, then at the same point, at the point of intersection, we get two tangent, because two we get the two direction of magnetic field line. We get two direction of magnetic field line. So which is not possible. Draw at least two magnetic field line between two magnet. Case one is north pole. Two north pole are nearest point, so the field line will be like this, because north pole equal each other. Second case, north and south, they will attract each other. Question number 21. Two evidence of existence of Earth magnetic field. One freely suspended magnet indeed always rest in geographical north-south direction. Neutral point are often on the floating the field line on magnetic neutral point. Sketch for magnetic line as obtained in limited space of horizontal plane in Earth magnetic field line. So you can geographical north pole and south pole, and these are the field lines. Here are 5 field lines drawn, but in question you have to sketch only 4 field lines. Okay. Question number 23. Draw the pattern of magnetic field line near a bar magnet placed it north pole pointing towards the geographic north and indicates the position of neutral point by making 25. What conclusion is drawn regarding the magnetic field at the point of compass needle at the point rest at any direction? Given reason here in your answer, because a compass denotes the direction of magnetic field. This is the solution. What is the neutral point? I have told. How is the position of neutral point located? With it, use the compass needle. If we place a compass needle at neutral point, the needle can be oriented along any direction. there is no field to orient the needle. Okay. So since the net magnetic field is 0 at neutral point, the compass needle remain unaffected. Okay. So all these point and hence they cannot be detected. Question number 27, last question. State the position of neutral point where magnet is placed with the axis of magnetic meridian with north pole. Neutral point will be east-west direction, and point where the point towards the geographical north pole, point towards the geographical south pole. Neutral point will be north-south direction. I have told. Complete the following statement. If the field line of a magnetic field are parallel and equidistant, then magnetic field is called uniform magnetic field. At a neutral point, the resultant magnetic field is 0. The neutral point of bar magnet kept within north pole pointing towards the geographic north pole are located at on either side of magnet and magnet in east and west. Okay. Answer also given here. Okay, that's all for today's class. Next class we will discuss exercise B. Okay.